So I've been a beauty creator since 2007. It's a very long time. Throughout my career, I've used the magic of makeup to play and transform myself into different characters. And I've tried all colors of the rainbow. Some looks were good, others not so much. But it wasn't until recently I discovered my best personal color. So my team at M and I did a personal color analysis by Heijin from Omio. And let's just say we learned a lot. Whether you're looking for a gift for someone special or a treat for yourself, Ana Luisa has something that will speak to your heart. Ana Luisa is a jewelry brand that celebrates the timeless beauty of dainty, delicate pieces. I didn't think I'd be a fan of dainty jewelry until I tried them on, and I really liked the look. And I can definitely vouch for their quality. So I learned how their brand puts a lot of care into ensuring a standard of quality. They're nickel-free and hypoallergenic. Their pieces are created from the finest noble metals, and whenever possible, they use recycled metals and transparently sourced gemstones to ensure that your jewelry is not only beautiful, but also ethical. So Valentine's Day is coming up, and to boost some self-love, Ana Luisa is having a buy one, get 50% off for a limited time. No code needed. No worries though if you missed this sale, because at any other time, you can use Phan 20 for 20% off. Just keep in mind that the code has to be used separately. It can't be stacked with other promos. When I was growing up, my mom used to wear these delicate gold chain necklaces and these cute little pearl earrings. She'd let me try on some of her jewelry, but I always thought it looked a little old school. As I grew up, I learned how the simplicity of delicate necklaces and earrings will always look timeless. And here are some of my favorite pieces. You can never go wrong with a nice pair of hoop earrings. To me, they're a staple. Another staple that I think you can never go wrong with is a herringbone chain necklace. It can go with everything. I remember my mom having a necklace like this. Personally, I love wearing it with my black turtleneck like this. You know, it gives me like that subtle dressed up look. I'm feeling very sophisticated. So if you're looking for new pieces, check out Ana Luisa. Now, back to the program. All the colors that make up you, your eyes, your hair, your skin, are in harmony with each other. So when you add more colors that are more harmonious to you, like makeup, clothes, and accessories, you can look younger and healthier. So when it comes to choosing the best makeup that suits you, I was only familiar with knowing skin color and undertones. Remember that video I did back in the day where I was trying to find my perfect shade of red? Because not all shades of reds are the same. Some are more flattering or the opposite. And I only knew about warm, cool, and neutral undertones. But friends, I knew nothing. Finding your personal color is a little more nuanced. During my session, my colorist walked me through her process, and I learned a lot about colors. We all know color can be light or dark. This is called value. Value is defined as the relative lightness or darkness of a color. Here's a light blue and a dark blue. For value, what we're looking for is light versus deep. Then there's hue. Hue literally means color, like red, orange, yellow, blue, green, and violet. For hue, what we're looking for is the temperature, warm versus cool. And then there's chroma. Chroma refers to the purity and saturation of a color. It can go from clear, light, deep, and mute. So now that you know the fundamentals, here's where it gets more interesting. Seasonal color analysis is a theory that categorizes your best personal color into 4 seasons based on skin tone, hair color, and eye color. Those seasons are spring. It's often associated with new beginnings, growth, and freshness. Spring colors are soft, delicate, and playful. Summer. Summer colors are bright, cheerful, and energizing, just like the colors you would see on a summer day. Autumn is associated with the changing of the leaves. Autumn colors are cozy, inviting, and full of warmth. And last but not least, winter, often associated with stillness. This would be represented by cool, crisp shades of blues, grays, and whites. Think of higher contrast. Winter colors are calm, serene, and sophisticated. The idea that people within each season will look their best in the colors associated with their season, as these colors complement their unique features and enhance their natural beauty. The colorist is showing me the colors that flatter me versus the ones that make me look dead. You can see here I look all gray and ugh. Look at how cooler blues look on me. You could see the shadows around my face are all blue and gray, and my lips don't look as healthy. Now, compare that to warmer shades like reds, browns, and marigolds. Take a look at me in this cooler toned yellow versus the warmer yellow. It's pretty obvious you could see here that I look healthier, younger, and happier. So after doing all of this, I found out that my personal color is Autumn Deep. I'm totally a cozy autumn girl. And when it comes to jewelry, gold looks the best on me. I want to give a shout out again to Ana Luisa for these beautiful new gold pieces. Makeup wise, I wanted to create a simple, fresh look to start off the new year. Something that makes me look younger and also complements my features. And you know, when it comes to makeup, my recommendation is try everything, even the stuff that may not be flattering on you. Just try it because you're gonna learn so much more about yourself from this. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and until next time, good luck.